Welcome to this tutorial, where we will show you how to post an image from your studio to your profile in the VSCO app. Whether you are new to VSCO or just want a quick refresher, this video will guide you through the simple process of sharing your edited photos with your followers. First, open the VSCO app on your phone. Once the app is open, look towards the bottom and tap on the studio icon. Next, browse through your images and find the one you want to post. Once you locate the image, double-tap on it to open it fully. Then, look for the put icon at the bottom and tap on it. This will bring up options to add captions or hashtags to your post. You can write something to describe your photo or add relevant hashtags. After that, click on the Post button to share the image to your profile. Finally, to check if your image was posted successfully, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom of the app. There, you will see your new post along with any previous ones. Now you can share your creativity with the VSCO community in just a few taps.